always tired? It is a question many of us have asked at some point in our lives. There are at least 7 reasons for feeling tired more than usual. 1. Lack of sleep. Not enough sleep, or even staying up too late, could cause tiredness. It is important that you are getting adequate sleep in your day. Otherwise, sleep debt can quickly accumulate. 2. Being stressed or overwhelmed. Being stressed or overwhelmed might be another reason why you are feeling these symptoms. Often due to laziness or simple lack of priorities, our responsibilities can pile up, resulting in a person feeling stressed or overwhelmed. 3. Unbalanced or unhealthy diet. The food you eat affects your body. In fact, at any given time, cells in your body are constantly being replaced. The quality and quantity of food that you are eating can be the difference between feeling fresh and feeling tired. 4. Being dehydrated. Being dehydrated or not having enough fluid in your body could very well cause these symptoms as well as headaches, cramps, and soreness. Water makes up the majority of our body, and not getting enough water in our system is another major cause of tiredness. 5. Growing body. Depending on your age, this could just be your body growing or using more energy than what you are used to, resulting in your feeling of tiredness. 6. Too much exercise or work. Overdoing something, whether it is at home or work, could cause you to feel like you have no energy left afterwards, or in this case, like you are always tired. 7. Heat or sickness. Spending a lot of time in very warm or humid environment can result in feeling of tiredness as your body recovers. Also, there could be an underlying disease causing your body to be devoid of energy and feeling tired. If you are chronically feeling tired, then it is a good idea to get it checked with your doctor, as it could be a symptom of some disease affecting your body. Lastly, please do remember to like this video and give us feedback. Also, show us some support by subscribing to our YouTube channel.